Okay. I think it's all good now. 1 second. I think it's all good now. Right, yeah. Okay. You're not mute. I'm not muted now. Okay, welcome everyone. So, yes. Let me just put this here. Good morning, Moses. Good morning, everyone. Let me change this as well. Ah, fucking way. There we go. Okay. So yeah, looking like GG hasn't moved much again. There's been no news this morning that's gonna skew us, which is nice to see. Very nice to see. Which should be good. So yeah, we'll take a look and we'll see what we can get over here, guys. So let me just put this on. Yeah. Okay. So, GJ right now, the daily time frame closed very strongly bearish. There's no top wick on the daily, which is mad. No top wick on the daily. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, no top wick on the daily time frame. The 4-hour time frame is right now printing bullish, but very weak candles compared to the bearish ones yesterday. Which is interesting. So we've had 3 bullish candles, but as I said, they haven't been the greatest strength. Let's take a look at the 30-minute, 15-minute, etc., etc. Let's take a look. Oh shit! 1 second. Okay. Let me put this on. Okay. So the hourly time frame is looking like it may be continuing down. Let's take a look on the 30 and the 15. So 30-minute time frame, looking like we do have a bit of resistance that we've formed right around here, 159,300. Take a look on the hourly time frame. There's hourly resistance a little bit higher up on the 30-minute, which is actually 13 pips. So 13 pips to the next support. If you take a look on the 15-minute though, it looks a little bit more skewed. So let's just use it on the 15. So we have a resistance at 159,380. We also have a resistance at 159,638. And we're trading between them lines really. So for me, for sells, so for me, buys, if you get a closure above here, then yeah, don't see why not. It's 27 pips. Which would be nice. Taking a look at sells. Sells. Well, you can see that clearly here is a big level of support there. However, that is a long way away. Just look at the 30-minute right now. Yeah, you can see this little 30-minute resistance here at 159,108. So it's hard, man. Again, it's really fucking hard. It's hard to find where you want the sells. I mean, potentially you could have sells below this current support, right? Because if you had sells below this current support, a closure below, you got clean candles all the way down to this daily flip. That's the only thing I could really say for sells. And would that be below the 30-minute? Yeah, not really. I think potentially it would be below here, make it a little bit safer. As it's broken up in this channel, it's made a little bit of support in these areas. I think safer sells would be below 159,058. Is the zone big enough? It looks pretty big. Yeah, 24 pips is not bad. But as I say, it's still the same thing again. It's in the middle of the 4-hour and the daily, which sucks. So yeah, kind of sucks. Let's take a look. Cody and AJ buy already 1-to-1 and took 80%. Oh, nice, Vincent.
That may be, but I already had 80%, so it's good.
Nice. Reacted off that nicely. Using your little channels, they worked nicely though, eh? Oh, we've got your Asian high, your Asian lows on.
Yeah, because they tend to get touched during London or NY.
Yeah.
So it's good to have an eye, and also price reacts quite strong on those levels, so I like to have an eye on choice.
Yeah. That was very nice. Let's take a look here at AJ.
And I also got some AJ buys.
You all got AJ buys, right? Just now? Right,
I
so
was in my chart now. No, that was during Asian session.
doing AJ, okay, yeah. So yeah, man, very, very hard on GJ again for like the fucking fourth day, which is fine. You just gotta chill out for this. I'm gonna say buys above. Buys above 159,375. Beautiful. Yep, so look for buys. I think for me, I'm not going to take these sells in here. I think I'm just going to wait further down. And where do I wait further down? Oh, it's so awful. It's so awful. Why is it awful? Well, because there's a support here, but there's also support right there. Ah, it's 20 pips. Yeah, it probably sells below that then. It'll also be breaking. It'll be flipping the daily time frame, which is rather nice. So yeah, but I still think there's something iffy going on in the markets because we're not moving a lot, right? When was Asian? When did Asian open? Yeah, there. It hasn't moved a lot.
Don't work. Don't work for Asian.
Yeah. Yeah, Asian was.
Yeah, I put it in the chat, Max.
Okay. So 5 minute looked like it closed above your little area at 91.67, and you just took a nice little buy. That's pretty chill. That looked quite clean on the 5 minute there. Those 5 minute candles are pretty nice. They are pretty nice.
And then, well, man, I missed the gold. I was seeing the deals.
So yeah, let's take a look at AJ then. Let's do a little analysis here, but it's looking hard again, man. Fuck's sake. So looking like AJ right here is in a daily range. You can see here, this is the daily time frame. We're stuck between these two levels recently. So yeah, got to be a little bit cautious there, but let's just take a look. So we have the daily here. It's bullish right now. The last one closed bearish, pretty much tapped the previous support. So looking interesting. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame is bearish right now. Bearish right now. The hourly time frame is retracing a little bit, which is nice. 30-minute, 50-minute look like garbage again. So yeah. So you can either think, you know, the next resistance is here, which is 14 pips away. It's even less on the 15-minute. Yeah, man, this is hard again. There's no clear zones, right? There's no clear zones. There's no clear ways to take any trades in these areas. So for me, I mean, probably sells. I don't even know. It's just too hard. It's too hard to decide. Because you think about sells below here, it's got 20 pips. The zone's okay, but it's not really the cleanest area. Or you could have sells below there, but that's not really too clean either. Yeah, it sucks, man. It really sucks. Nothing's eye-popping right now. And then for me, this resistance here is close to this garbage, which is like 15 pips away. So, yeah. Yeah, look how many hourly resistances. Oh my god. Yeah, so for me, it's probably going to be above 95.70, which clears all of them. Which on the 15 is there. Yeah, it's poor, man. It's really, really poor. I'm just going to put it up here. Yep. So for me, there's absolutely nothing on AG I can see. It's just it's in a horrendous zone. Possible sells in gold. I'll take a look. Gold buys later for sure. Oh wow, so a lot of people are changing. Are you in drawdown for this month, Max? Nope, I'm up 6%, 6.5% or something like that. Take a look at the trades taken. You'll see. So yeah, we got that all marked up over here. Let's take a look at gold now. And we'll take a look. What do you want to go against my trend? Yeah, let's take a look. So, looking like gold rejected the highs that I pushed up to. Yeah, the only trade that I really saw yesterday was the trade. The fuck was it? Oh, there. Sorry, there. Yeah. London with the rejection wicks and then pushed up. That was nice. That was tasty. What's session looking at for sells? That was nice in the 15.
So
But I think it's a close bullish though, right?
yeah, so with that gold sell up, so I basically charted that gold chart. I put it in the Zoom, eh? And as I'm busy doing an analysis on GJ, gold plays out, man.
That's what
It
happens.
happened. It happened in the first like
Fuck's sakes, I was so
Saturday.
annoyed.
the candle.
Oh,
Pretty well done. It was very early.
and it was fucking clean as shit, bro. Yo,
See that. Okay, so
quickly in the Zoom.
looking like, yeah, I know. Once, I'll take a look. Jesus Christ, your chart. Yeah. Looks like it worked nicely. Nicely. Just 5 minute break in. Oh fucking hell, this is nice. Okay, so the hourly time frame closed bearish below. It's 7 o'clock, which is nice. The 30 minute and the 15 minute. Let's take a look over here. So, the 15 minute time frame had a bit of support, which is right here, 1860. The next candle came up, tapped the zone. Stop loss would have been above the previous 10 pips, and then yeah, you already got the drop here. That was chill. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, that was nice. Beautifully on the 15 that was chill there, wasn't it? Yeah, this
Yeah,
was,
it closed against you, but if it happened in the first 5 minutes, it wasn't too bad.
yeah, that's true.
It's 6:45 candle or something. I don't know why it's
Yeah, so
so
early,
early.
man. Yeah. So looking like Goldie could continue down. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it's still, the only thing is it's still in a bullish trend, right? It's still continuing the trend. Like you can still see here. It's still continuing up. So I don't really trust the sells too much. The daily time frame goes bullish. So yeah, man. Yeah, looking interesting for today. So for me now, where this sells possibly could continue down to, well, right now it's going to be to 1855 right here. That would probably be the first level in this zone here. But yeah, it looked like that entry there was the perfect entry for me. Are you sick today, my man? No, I fucking hope not. I'm getting my jab today. So yeah, did anyone see any other sell opportunities on GJ that I can't see? But it's just so choppy. There's wicks everywhere. It's just painful to watch. And as again,
Probably
you know,
going to dump now for the last 1 minute.
yeah, yeah, it's just a little bit shitty. It's just so shitty. But that's been all week, man. That's been all week. Do you think these FX and gold markets can ever stop? They were active even during highest lockdowns, right? Yeah, they'll never stop. It's just trading necessities, just raw materials, money. It's why it wouldn't never stop.
Lockdown would mean it moves more,
Yeah.
not less.
Yeah. Let's take a look. When your chart is identical to Maxi Boy, but you drew it before the stream, would love some buys. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I think GJ buys would be a little bit nicer. I think. Yeah. We're breaking the 4-hour highs there as well, which is kind of nice. I'll show you a gold chart. Here we go. And yeah, and I don't really know for gold either, to be honest with you. There's no clear areas of breaking. It's kind of broke here, which is a bit too early. 6:30. I'm not fucking getting up at 6:30. I'm sorry. But that closure, that top wick taking a sell there with stop loss above would have been nice. Yeah.
That's not bad. There's 2 candles. So, yeah, not too bad.
Yeah. I mean, the only thing you can see here now is this candle's closed. If it wicks back up to there, 1858. Oh shit! Did not mean to do that. Yeah, 1858 and stop loss above, so you'd be there, 10 pips, you get in, your stop loss would be 10, then for the whole zone 40. That's pretty reasonable. GJ sells close below minus support. Oh, sells. It's just, nah.
Potential double bottom on the so good thumbs up.
Yeah. It's pretty poor, right? Pretty poor. Let's take a look here. To be honest, safe approach to wait for NY continuation below 157,900 if London runs through the rangy wiki area. Yeah, agreed. Agreed, man. Who took any trades in NY yesterday? Soul Controller got a nice one later on. They were nice just for me, a little bit too late, and also the stops with 30 pips.
That one that everyone took yesterday was the 4-hour low breaking.
Yeah.
And the stop was tight. I think it was like 5 pips.
Yeah.
Fucking Benny boy took an absolute mint trade. He was watching something. He goes, "I'm going to get in," and he's got his stream live. And the next minute, it's up 2 pips, and then bang, 25 in about 1 second.
Yeah.
It was like a bit of news. Obviously, some JPY news came out because it happened to every pair. It was so quick, like literally 10 seconds, and he was up 25, 30 pips.
Yeah, that was nice. That is nice. GJ sells potentially. That's been a nice top wick. It's just the zone it's going into. Take a look at the hourly. Look where you'd be selling at. Right at hourly support. It's just painful. Broken the previous hourly lows though, so yeah, you could be okay. Could be okay. So if you got in on the flip there, stop loss above 10 pips. Yeah, maybe a closure below there, but you gotta be patient. You gotta be patient right now. IC Market has 1.5 pip spreads on GJ, does it? No, it doesn't. Raw spreads 0.8, 0.7. Ooh, pushing. Oh, this would be nice then if it comes below there. Let's take a look at the 4-hour then. If you got a closure below here, it's still 20 pips. It's actually not that bad. Nice. Very, very nice. Looks like it worked nicely. I think if the zone was a little bit nicer for me, it would have been chill, but I wasn't risking that. But it worked out nicely, eh? 14 pips. Gold coming towards TP, which would be 1855. That was chill, man. Not even a top wick up. That was nice. Got in at 159.089. Beautiful, yeah, on the break of that low. Very nice. Gave you that 10 pips though, which is good. Hopefully, if you get enough momentum, we can continue down. Would you agree there, Brian? Sells below 158.800. Indonesia's this crap here. Yeah, they're flipping the daily, wouldn't it? And then the daily can fill this wick. Yeah, gold to make my day. Oh, someone's living on gold. Gold touch support. Let's take a look at the hourly. I still think it should continue down to at least 1856 there. Sold gold and flip 10 pips. Oh, well done, Ronnie boy. Good lad. On the flip. Got 16 pips there. Just close at 10. Very nice. Where was your stop? Where was your stop? Oh, below the low. Okay. Stop loss above there. So 8 pips. Nice. Where's your stops in your head? So there you go. Look like GJ's just retraced the whole way. Damn. So you must have, hopefully you should have secured profits there. Did you have enough time? You must have. Yeah. But damn. This is why I'm just a little bit cautious in this area. It's just not too nice, right? It's not too nice. So yeah, let me just put some. Yeah, yesterday's stream was the biggest stream I've ever had. 4,000 views. Oh my god. 4,000 views of us just chilling on stream. Chilling on stream. Let's take a look here. In my head. Yeah, 4,000. I was like, jeez, that's cool. 4,000. How much has it got now? Let's take a look. 4,192. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, we'll see. It's still early though. It's still 20 past 7, so we've still got a lot of time, right? We've got a lot of time, which is nice to see. Let's take a look over here. Give it like guys, your GBP in cells very clean. Oh, nice. That's all I'm looking for. Clean, clean, clean. Yeah, that was the cleanest one. It's a shame it happened a little bit too early for me. Getting in on the next candle here, stop loss would have been 22 pips. Yeah, I don't think I would risk that. But that retest there was chill. Very, very nice. Gold got 10 pips. Very, very nice. So looks like a lot of you guys got on the break at the low here. For the smaller stops you'd have got there, yeah, around about 8 pips, and then TP would have been there. Beautiful. Well done, well done. Well done, well done. Let's take a look. Is GJ still continuing? Nope. Looking like shit. I did get in 7 AM on the 5 minute with the small lot. Didn't want to pay for trade, was way too clean. Yeah. The 5 minute? Yeah, the 7 o'clock one rejected. That was chill. That was chill. Let's move this here again. So yeah, we'll see. I really want GJ to continue down here because when we get below this daily flip, it's going to be much easier to take a trade. Check 10 pips daily insta. Okay. Oh yeah, he got it as well. He got it. Nice. Yeah, that was chill. Oh. That was chillin'. Exactly the way that we'd get in as well. Beautiful, man. So yeah, if you got in that gold retest there, so let's just take a look and theoretically, right? So if you got in on the retest there, right at the previous support, it retested, you got stop loss above here, so around about 12 pips. Price could change, so price starts to close, so this price close, you're fine. This candle starts to push down. When it gets to here, right around here, I'd put stop loss to break even, but I wouldn't secure anything because now it's breaking the lows, right? It's breaking the 30-minute lows, it's breaking the 50-minute lows. Then we get the drive. I think towards the end of this candle, you'd probably want to close some. So around about 22 pips, I think that's where the first TP would be. And the second one would be probably down here, 45. So from a 10 pip stop, closing at 20, so that's around about 2%, 1 to 2 risk to reward, and then your runner would go on to 1 to 4. So that was nice. That was very nice. Where is Fibo number crossover? I have no idea. I have no idea, boy. What's your account size? Just hit over 100k this month. After last month, when do you consider stop loss above previous candle, and when just above the current wick if the wick is created? It depends. If there's loads of volume, then you can use a current wick. If it's not so much volume, then I'd wait. You know, if there's no like strong ass candles, then I'd wait for the I'd get the the candle over the previous. Yeah. Yeah. Let's take a look at this trend. Did you have it on the wicks there? Like that. It's still holding this nicely. I still think it's bullish, so. Imagine having a 1-to-1 and runners only look for showing for people to. Jawad Mo, you're new here. Just chill out. Do you look at silver? No, I don't look at silver. No silver, no silver. I want to be bullish. Yeah, I agree because the daily closed. Oh no, sorry, the daily closed bearish. I think I was talking about gold over here, wasn't I? Yeah, it's not gold. Yeah. Who's this Jawad kid? Yeah, if you're called Jawad, fucking hell, like fucking Jabba. Max, did you grow your account? Did you deposit your own money or get funded? I got funded for 9 months through Funded Talent. Used that money to put in my own, and then for the next year and a half, just compounding it pretty much because I was at uni and I didn't need the money really. So. And then yeah, and then the current month. So when I started streaming in September, averaging around about 20%. Sorry, 16 to 20% in the months. And then December was a beefy month as well. I'm pretty sure December was around about 40% as well, 45%. I think I got 45. I think 45 or 46. And then January, February, you know, like 6% in the month because it was shit months. And then April that just came, I got 39%. And then this one's a 6, so yeah. Which funding firm you use, Max? I used Funded Talent, which isn't here anymore. Blueberry versus IC markets. I don't know about Blueberry. Looks like there's no commissions on gold, which is pretty cool. But I don't know for spreads, right? I don't know for spreads. Yeah, I don't know for spreads. Let's take a look at GJ. I really wanted to get a little bit further down for me. That'd be much easier. So this 50-minute candle's closing, kind of doji, not showing too much. So yeah, I'm just waiting peacefully. That goal was nice, man. It's looking like there's been moves recently at like 6:45, 6:30. I'm like, bro, I'm never gonna get any sleep, man. Max, where do you put your support on gold, please? The support is at 1855. Yeah, 1855 is the main one, but it's choppy in that area, to be honest. So, yeah, and the resistance right now is 1860. What's your TP on GJ? If we close above? Well, the first TP would be a 650, 159, 650, and then the next ones would be. I mean, there's clean candles for these resistances, which would be rather nice. I think back above 160.052, like here, would be a nice little runner. Yeah. Agreed. Frankfurt NYC has been nice. Imagine being over. You're doing great, my guy. Keep up the solid work. Thank you, my man, DC. Thank you, my man. What do you think of GJTP 160 100? Yeah, I think 100 would be okay. I think 160.050 would be a little bit better because it's right at this support. Yeah. I feel bad for anyone on challenges at the moment. Yeah, man. 1854.8 on the hourly. Let's take a look. 1854.8. Oh, I can't see on the hourly. On the hourly, I'd say it was there. 1856.075. And this is kind of skewed. The next support would be down here, 1853.058. Yeah. Am I too late to take action on gold now? Yep, you missed the move, man. Yeah, missed the move. You gotta chill out with stuff like that, man. Don't rush into it. You know, if you know you've missed the move, you just sit out and you relax. There's no need. Absolutely no need to rush into it now. You know, that was the move, that was the push. I missed it because it's too early. And yeah, just be patient still. Sasha, that was funny. Oh my god.
Those are my favourite ones.
Yeah.
Stuff's-
I can just see them like being in the rooms now, just swear, and they just like have to like fucking take their headphones off and just like pray to their god. That was a nice 15 rejection, right? Went to a tap, previous 15 support down here. Let's take a look at the hourly. Well, the hourly's still sorting itself out, right?
On your FXCM, it's how far is your daily flip? See, on Oanda, that 15 wick is directly on the daily flip.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it like touched it, like, right, exactly. It's weird.
Yeah. Yeah. God, the charts on GJ this week have been looking absolutely dreadful.
Yeah.
So let's take a look then. I want to see this trade that people got yesterday, right? So there was support here. This candle closed. I think it closed right on it on the 15. However, good bearish momentum. I think people got in on the 4-hour flip right down there. So your stop loss on the current 15 was 12 pips. Yeah, that wasn't too shabby. A little impulsive though, to be honest with you. Look on the 30. How'd that look? Yeah, 30 closed right on it. But yeah, breaking of the 30-minute lows. It was also the 4-hour. It was also no, it wasn't the hourly. Let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah, so it was like that setup in the simulations, right? Breaking the 4-hour. Did it break anything on the dailies that we saw? No. It broke the 30-minute lows, and it broke the 15 lows. Yeah, so I had pretty much all of them. Chill Bros, your man's stats for the month on stream says it all. Yes, my man. That's why I only trade one session, isn't it? You wouldn't be saying that last month, right? But I'm still up, right about 7%, so I'm happy. 7% is better than you, probably, so that's all good. Let's take a look here. Flipped current daily and weekly yesterday, yeah. Oh, I flipped it weekly as well, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. So yeah, gold's done that move. I really advise people, do not try and get in now. Like, you've missed the move. The move was up here. If you didn't get it, don't worry about it. The one thing you've got to do now is not take any trades in this area, because you're going to get slapped. That was the push. That was the move. Just got to chill out. Yeah, NYSE again. Just NYSE and Frankfurt Opens these past 3 weeks have been the only thing to get, really. So how long left for 8 o'clock? We still got 25 minutes. Yeah, we'll see. Still respecting this support though for me, and this 4-hour time frame is re-flipping. So yeah, it's nice. You want to see this in the 5-minute, maybe get in there a bit earlier, 240, if it breaks there. How'd that look at the 15? Yeah, 15 is just retracing a little bit. I still think this is going to continue bullish soon. So yeah. Some new sells in gold between 1855 may work. Below, yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, you could do. You could do if you wanted, for sure. Think that could be pretty good. Okay, let's see look what Daniel's just sent me over here. Oh, nice. Is this now? No. Oh, this was the trade yesterday, right? Was it? Yeah. Yeah, that was nice in the 30. So the stop actually wasn't that bad. You could get a 10 pip stop. Max just sent you the trade I took on GGS in Telegram. Yeah, that was chill. That was nice. I think, oh yeah, yesterday we were looking, we paper traded a GJ trade because the only reason why I paper traded it is because the 15 looked a little bit shocking. Where was it? It was here, yeah. So it was resistance forming. However, these candles were kind of putting me off it, but it was taking a sell on the break of the lows. So it was here. Stop loss above. So stop was kind of big as well. So kind of like for the top wick giving 13 pips, nah, but it worked out nicely. Came to around about 30 pips there, which was pretty chill. Worked out nicely. Yeah. Come on, GJ, get your ass up. Get your ass up, boy. Same with AJ, but AJ's zones are just horrendous, right? Oh, look how painful that looks. Yeah, it's been kind of rough past areas. I hope people who took these gold sells have actually taken profits, because, like, you know, there's a little support there, 1856. It closed right on it. That was a perfect time to take some trades off. Take some money off the table. So yeah. Here we go, finally. Nice. 5 minutes coming up. Anyone looking for the 5-minute breaks? I know some people will be. 30-minute time frame pushing up, which is nice. 21 minutes left, flipping the hourly time frame finally. So yeah, looks potentially decent later on. Later on. What's I gonna do? So yeah, we'll be patient. Are you gold buy? Oh, gold buy? Hell no. Hell no, just dumped its ass. Buys are gonna be a lot nicer above 1863 first of all. To continue back to the daily flip. So yeah. Okay, see you later, Ronnie. So yeah, what do you guys think then? What does Bri think about maybe these GJ buys? How much would stops be right now on the previous? 13 pips on the wick. Yeah. They'd be riskier buys, but it looks like they would play out for me, I think. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30 minutes still hasn't broken the high of the previous yet, though, so it's still, you know, potentially. But it's looking like we are starting to form some support. If you start moving this, like here, we'll be making some support, which is rather nice. To maybe continue. Will there be an opportunity to sell gold? Yeah, I think below 1855. 1855. If you want to be clapped this early, buy gold. Yeah. at that big retracement in the zone though, but you just be careful, right? That whole move's finished, right? You gotta chill out. You gotta chill out. On a 30-minute GJ above and 159, 500 looks safer. Yeah. I think above 375 is okay as well, to be honest. Yeah, it's not only 10 pips to that high there on the 30. Same with the hourly. You're breaking the previous 4-hour highs though, so that's why I quite like it as well. And it's just a closure above our little range right here. So, good morning everyone. Good morning people in YouTube. Volume will come in at 8 AM, just gonna wait for it to then before I enter, yeah. For me, GJ buys with 159,480. Yeah, on the 30-minute. We did the right thing by not taking any positions yesterday. Yes, exactly. Exactly. A lot of people got slapped yesterday. A lot of people, so it's very, very important to not rush in. Never have the need to rush in, right? There's no point. There's no point. By the way, Max, did you see the video of Bojo at school? One of the students handed him a party invite. Oh my god. No way. That's mad. What a fucking joke. Didn't he get fined like 10 quid or something? And some of my friends got fined 100 quid. What a fucking joke. Stupid. I never got fined. To be fair though, the party that I went to where this last got fined, oh my god, it was mad. It was so mad. It was loud as shit. It was so obvious. Pretty mad. So yeah, still waiting. Looking like GJ is actually struggling here, which isn't too nice. Max, hello officer, bear with me, just need to withdraw from my account. Pray for the Texas child. What's happened in Texas? We took the position not to take a position yesterday, essentially. Yeah, exactly. And I think overall there was a school shooting. Great. Yeah. Damn. How are they going to combat that? Because it seems like they just can't combat it. Because it's kind of just, how can they control something like that? You could go ban all guns now, but everyone can get guns there. There's too many of them, right? So it's kind of fucked it. That's mad. Touch wood we don't get that in the UK. Jesus Christ. I just don't get what those people get out of it. Jesus Christ. I saw a documentary about one of the guys and it's just like, what? Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. More Manchurian candidates, most likely. It's pretty much statistically impossible. There could be so many shooters in such a short span. Yeah. There was also a boy 14 who stabbed a 12-year-old girl in Liverpool over a Snapchat row. Oh my god. What have we came to? Jesus Christ. It's just the younger kid. It's just the younger people don't really have any sort of remorse right now. They kind of just. It's just mad. Yeah, we had a stabbing in Newcastle a couple of years ago. Some guy just stabbed some man when they were having an argument with a screwdriver and killed him. It's like, oh my god, what the fuck? But it all links up, right? It's all to do with like poverty. You know, if their mum and dads are working full time because they can't, you know, they have to work full time because they're skint. Then you know they can't supervise their kids. The kids are bored. They're always out doing fucking around because they've got nothing else to do. It's just a big spiral of shit, which this government doesn't really help. Doesn't really help at all. Waiting for 30-minute closure in GJ, or what is the plan? Sort of was away from the computer. Yeah, probably 30-minute closure above. My only issue again is this: the buys above here are looking nice in the 15, but the issue you have is the 30-minute time frame is right here for the resistance, and the hourly is the same. So it's just like this zone here is tiny. It's like, bro, I just want a nice ass zone. Eyeing the 30 when it closes, Bri?
Yeah, because if the 30 gets a closure, right, then the 15 will clear the minor resistances. And then you've got that little stumbling block, which is minor anyway to rise in the zone. So we just need a strong closure above.
Would you have it above here, 296 or 376?
I'd have it above the one to the right, actually.
Which one?
To the right. The one to the left of current price.
Just tell me the number. I don't know what you mean. Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it'll be bullish engulfing, right?
This is just a retracement, right? So it's done that, build up some steam, and then go up, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because you've got that on the 15, you've got that this momentum and volume, and you've got that rejection weight.
Yeah. Yeah, it's looking tasty now. I would say because it's 8 o'clock as well, but above 300 would be nice. Because then when you get there, it's 15 pips.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. 100%.
How would that look like?
That is the only little resistance that you would worry about, but you can see it's minor. It's not major.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll keep it there for the time being. We'll see what the crack is, especially at London Open with the volume. Let's
Because
see.
from that resistance to my resistance is 16 pips, so you could squeeze something there.
Yeah.
The next one, yeah, correct.
Yeah.
But it all comes down if we get the strong closure above that minor level and then see what the wick does. You know the drill.
Yeah, boy. So if this candle closed above and it made a lower wick, so if we got a closure like, oh shit, Jesus
Because
Christ.
you can see the 15. If you look back on the 15, you got 3 bullish candles. They're nice in size. We just need a closure. The 30 minutes only got 1, but it's showing you that there's volume coming right after the rejection wick.
Yeah.
So it's just looking at what the immediate candles are doing to give us an idea.
So if this closed bullish above, like this, the next candle made a lower wick, would you get in on the lows?
Probably would, eh? Yeah, I probably would.
Because if you got in on the lows like here, let me just measure this up.
Yeah, because then you've also got a retest of structure there.
Ah, but
Like
it's
that.
still a big stop, man.
Yeah. But then you've got this, right? If you've got that wick that you're anticipating, right? You've got that.
Yeah, but where's the stop gonna be, right?
Oh,
Oh,
you have to see how big that wick is. See
Yeah.
The retest.
No, but what I'm saying is getting in on the retest here with a buy with stop loss below the previous is what I'd want, but the stop is too big for there. So what would you do? Maybe getting on the break of the high there with stop loss in this wick?
Correct. Then you've got to change to how you normally trade.
Yeah. 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 Why does a spammer think is looking for girls at the moment? We're just trying to make a couple bucks. That's so true. That's so true. Oh, don't run off. 9 minutes left. We'll see. That's funny. Isn't it? It's like, why would you spam a fucking stream where it's just a bunch of nerds trying to take some trades? Like, what the fuck? They must do it though. It must work for some reason. I don't know. Some people are mad. GG like no mercy, yeah. Has the 4 hour broken the previous highs yet? Oh, not yet. Not yet. Right, I get some ready over here. But it's looking nice, that especially in the 30. You can see where we've retested. We've broken above, we've retested back on the level. It's just broken out. If we get to closure above, it should be nice to continue.
Max, are you not concerned if you go to the 15-minute chart that it's literally come up and cut that?
I am. Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, it's right at
sorry,
18 high.
I wasn't really listening. I was on the phone.
No, I didn't
saw
see
you.
it, but yeah, I've seen the tap now, and it's just a bit like, yeah, we'll see. I mean, we'll see. To be honest with you, it's mainly good at down to if this next candle makes a nice lower wick.
Yeah, the 30 is the decider.
Yeah. Yeah. That 4 hour breaks is high right now. Oh. Man, this jazz music's vibey. 353 people ready for the London Open. So we'll see what we can get, right? We'll see with this closure. But if it's closing like that with the wicks at the top, it's painful. It's painful. I want this to close strong. But then the more it closes strong, the closer it is to that fucking hour resistance. It's so annoying, but we'll see. Every time sells GJ is easier for me. Yeah, agreed. Sells are much easier, right? GU is much better. Yeah, maybe. Shame I don't trade it. So the 50-minute time frame on AJ is also coming up as well. So yeah, it's looking. Let's look at the 4 hour now. Yeah, 4 hours flipped and it's continuing. So yeah, it looks nice. Five minutes left. Yeah. What I'd want in a perfect world is this candle to then open, come down here, lower wick, getting to a buy here. The only issue you have is where's the stop. Do you agree, Sash?
Yeah, big stop.
Big ass stop, boy.
You see, I remember do you remember, like, if you look at gold, the 15 was like in the middle of the zone. This one's like right at the bottom to right at the top.
Yeah, it's too much.
Yeah, we can still do, if it comes down a nice wick, we can still do flip for the stop loss.
Yeah.
Might not be the retest today, but that's fine. Still do the other one.
Yeah. Maybe the flip, or if the stop is break of the highs, maybe a bit safer in the break of the highs, right? Oh, it's breaking 4 hour highs already. No, chill out. I think this is gonna pump after it breaking that 4 hour high. Yeah. Well, maybe a closure before 450 then. This 15 has no wicks though. I don't know what you mean by no wicks. Like I just don't get it.
There's fucking tons of
There's
wicks.
fucking
There's
loads of
fucking
wicks.
hundreds.
This one's got no low wick here, yeah, but it's closing in 4 minutes time, so who gives a fuck? Right? 30 minutes, got a top wick, bottom wick, it's fine. This 15 is closing in 4 minutes time. I'm not taking a trade before this closes, so then that no bottom wick here is invalid. It doesn't matter, you know. It's only when the candle's open that I care about it. Does gold consolidate in? No, gold just pushed down and now it's, you know, it's tapped the next support and now it's just ranging in that little bit of area. Yeah, it's just messing around, right? But it's already done the move, so interesting to see where that hourly closes. Interesting. Max, if you get in on the wick, could you not consider the previous 15 stops at 197? 197. Oh yeah. Yeah, so if the 30 minute comes back down over here to 259 and 197, yeah, that could be reasonable actually. It's based on the 30 that I was looking at actually, that's true. Are you considering a sell? A sell? A sell, bro? The fuck? The fuck?
Go sell some potatoes.
What the fuck? Sell? The fuck? Nah, I'm not looking at a sell, unfortunately, because all the candles are bullish. Well, I mean, if you get a closure above here, then that's great as well, I suppose. If prices pushed off this level and never retested, then 250 could really be reasonable. We have to see. Let me just get rid of this now because you all know what the score is. We'll just see here. 2 minutes left for this closure. Such a strong bullish engulfing though, so that's why I'm not too asked about.
You might not be wrong though about sells because you're at a 2 hour, 1 hour resistance, right?
Yep.
You're now, if you look at it like Tom, you're now sweeping the previous highs. Okay, if you get the volume, then it forms resistance as a double top again, and then goes down. But then you'll be impulsing that volume.
Yeah.
So you could be thinking like that, right? Could be thinking it as an impulse.
Agreed, but not now, right? I mean, yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, it's so annoying with this fucking 30-minute right there, man. It's just right there. It's like, bro. Oh, it's so annoying. If this was clean like this, if this wasn't here, then down. This would be easy.
And this is a nice big candle though.
Yeah, I know. So the lower wick and on the flip there, maybe 299 would be kind of nice. If it makes one. We'll see. If it gives me the nice lower wick first to retest that area, then I don't see why not. But if not, then I'm probably going to leave it if it breaks the high straight away. Which it may do. We'll see.
I would love a closure about 500.
Yeah.
Right up to 750.
And here we go. Impulse. Wow, amazing. Thank you, GJ. Thank you, GJ. Let's take a look at AJ chilling. Beautiful. So maybe the next 15 candle, etc., above 500. But yeah, it's one of them days, isn't it? No lower wick on the hourly. Oof. So if you did get in an impulse here, then probably if you got on the break of the highs, you haven't hit 10 pips yet. I'd probably put it break even. There's no low wick on the hourly. Oof. Oof. Let's take a look. What do you think about the GJ 4-hour break of the highs? Yeah, the GJ 4-hour break of the highs was nice, right? But it was just before the fucking hourly close, so best to wait for the hourly to make a lower wick, and it hasn't done that. But well done for people taking impulses there. If you guys got it, but yeah.
I got it. I did go for it.
You did on the break of the highs.
Yeah, I did go for it when it broke the high because I knew the volume was there, right?
Yeah. And then you put break even pretty much straight away.
Super fast.
Yeah.
Super fast. So I got that on the high. There was just too much volume there. We weren't gonna get the big.
Yeah. Do. So now, 4 hours completely past that level. The hourly is now clean in this area. So yeah, could be kind of nice for later on. So now, what would I want to closure above? Yeah, 636. 636 would be nice. That's what I'm going to look for. Nice trade, 12 pips ran. Nice, man. Do this. Buys above 1596. To be honest with you, I'm kind of happy for the buys a little bit higher up, right? What up, bro? How's it going? What up, Dr. Dollar? How you doing, man? Okay, just waiting for charts to get back to normal, to be honest with you. Oh my god, look at that retracement, holy shit. Yeah, I mean, London session and pre-NY has been pretty garbage. They've been just before, so they've been like Frankfurt Open and they've been NYSE. So I haven't taken any trades this week yet. That gold trade was fire though before. Just so early, man. 6:30. Fuck that. Just deleted my bias limit at 280. Yeah. Yeah, because now it could be with the resistance, right? So you've got to get your money in and out there. Sure. So how did you close there, Bri? You close it.
18 pips and I closed the trade.
Oh, I sniped that top. Sniped that top. That was tasty. Baby dollar, yeah. Fuck you, Brian. Yeah, exactly. Brian with them impulses. Worked out nicely though, right? You haven't taken any trades this week. How do you control, lol? Because there's no entries. There's fucking 0 entries. The people that I know that have taken trades this week have lost money, so. Still in at 429. Ooh. 429. Don't think you're in any more. Did you close positions though? You should have closed some. It went up to 18 pips, right? 20 pips on the lows there. So you took the break of the high. What about the stop below the previous 5-minute candle? Yeah, yeah, Bri. What were you gonna do if it didn't go your way there? You'd have just closed it.
An entry or like 3 or 4 pips.
Yeah, yeah.
Simple.
Simples. So we'll see. Buys of 645. I'm still waiting for GJ sell ? Bro, come on, man. So if you're looking for a sell, maybe try and keep the daily and the 4 hours with you. So if you take a look at the daily is bullish. The 4 hour is bullish. The hourly is bearish right now. But pretty much bullish overall, right? So you got to wait for the higher time frames to give you some confirmations continue down. For me, the zone here is a little bit choppy. I'm just going to wait for below 807. Oh yeah, Jason, do you know when you put the N word on your chart? I got fucking what's it called? I got I got told off by YouTube. Well, they didn't tell me off, but they just said it's been put down. Like you can't.
We spoke about it yesterday that we might only get it if it's in wording because of the algorithm. So hectic. So now we actually know they will pick it up.
Yeah, exactly.
Man, they depriving me from the N word.
Yeah. Invite Uncle Ted in your stream. I'd love to, but unfortunately my guy is in bed right now. Check this out. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's still respecting it. Still respecting it. Very nice. Retesting active. So yeah, I mean, the thing you gotta look for here now is for the sells. Where would you want them? And for me, it is at 807. I mean, if you could get a nice closure there, 110, 115, then I don't see why not as well, because it's coming back into this area after it rejected the highs. But yeah, we'll just gotta see. Flagged, yeah, that's what happened. It just got flagged. Yeah, it's funny that question though, like how do you control not taking trades? You just don't do it, man. Just don't do it. Because I know I would have wasted energy, I would have wasted commissions, I would have wasted time with these entries here. I know there would have been some break-evens, some winners, but there's no point. It's best you just wait for the clear Asta zones, and for me there just isn't any at the moment. That would have been nice if it made a nice low wick first, but it didn't, so. This is some good rejection now. Interesting. Very interesting. So yeah, we need to be careful at 12 o'clock, guys, at JPY News. Someone's speaking, which is great. Let's wait for the perfect entry. Exactly. Right now.
Cough, cough, Brian. Cough, cough. Soup.
Mate, mine's fucking cooking that bitch up.
You know it. You know it.
Ah, for fuck's sake. Here we go.
So we'll wait for confirmation.
Yeah, just.
Brian's like, what do you mean? I'm already in it.
Yeah. So if this kind of closes bearish back below and makes a nice little top wick, then it could be nice to continue back to the lows. If it gets a nice solid closure below 159,350. And if you get a perfect entry here, then damn, the runners could be nice. We'll see. Yo, where's my man Milan? Milan is taking time off. He's going to the temples of the monks to learn how not to overtrade. So what are you guys thinking then? So if this, yeah, the 30's still open, man. We'll have to see if this 15 closes. What tempo?
I basically got off the 15. I'm actually on the 30, so I have 3 areas marked out. So I have a weak area. Let me just see my chart, man.
Send me a chop, bro.
I smack a dog tail. Chart, it's so ugly, man. So cool. You're gonna see this ugly chart. Yo, Max, I'm so tired, man, bro. I need to get some rest. Poopsy's so addicted right now. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Bum-bum. Okay, there you go, Max. All yours. But I would prefer closure above this level.
Yeah,
You
I
know,
agree.
just for that clean shit over there.
Yeah.
But if we do close below this area, I would definitely also look at sales to take us
Yeah.
down because of the London. I know the London push is basically gone, but that's basically what I'm looking at right now. But this line here, that's just a 15-minute. If I should go to my 15-minute chart, that would be a resistance over there.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think it's a bit cleaner on the setting, man.
Agreed. Agreed. Hey Maxi, you have more losses than wins on stream. Yeah, this month for sure. But overall, I'm still. NY has helped me out, but London's been absolutely garbage for me. There's been absolutely no closures. There has been, but not a lot. They've been very much impulsive, so that's why I don't do too well on the set times. But as I say, with the equity curve, when it goes back to normal, I'll be back on track again, and I'll come back with my 8 wins in a row. So I'm chilling. But yeah, all transparency, I haven't done too well in London this month because there just hasn't been that many moves. And if there has been moves, the moves have moved like exactly the way that they've moved the exact same direction as where I'd want it to go, and for all my TPs, but the entries were just so impulsive. They're just so impulsive, you just can't do anything about it. So yeah, we'll see this candle closing. Oh, this candle closing doji is just a bit meh. At least I have one person who is legit that loses all the part of the game instead of showing all blues all day. Facts, man. I'm doing this transparently, man. There's nothing to hide. There's no need. There's no need. And I think as people go on, they'll realize, there's when people don't do too well. What I've realized is they stop streaming, right? And then they come on when they start getting better again. What's the point in that? It sucks. It's good for your brand, I suppose, because no one's seen your L's, but it's not good for transparency and what people are looking for. So, for me, my whole thing is just being genuine. There's no need to be trying to fib people. There's no point. If you look at my Instagram, you can tell my Instagram is not a fucking bullshitty one. It could be a bullshitty one. My dad's got fucking 4 Ferraris and 2 Lambos in the garage. I could have easily been a cunt, but I'm not, because there's no need. Okay, so the 5 minutes closing back in the area. Interesting now. Very interesting. I kind of want it a little bit further below the 300 like Jace said, but we'll see. Nobody cares. They'd care if I said they were mine. Okay, so yeah, 50-minute close bearish. What are people looking at then? Maybe on the break of the lows? Ooh. Only issue is on the 30. We're still open and it still hasn't closed below. But man, if this rejects, Brian's going quiet, Sashin's going quiet. if they were yours, I wouldn't be here. Look at the 5 minute. Oh, this looks kind of tasty, you know. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna risk it. All right, 306. If this comes back up to 393, then I'm gonna activate my sell stop. I can't use the current because sorry, I can't use the retest because the stop on the previous is way too fucking big. Okay, beautiful. Now, so price is looking like it's pushing up, which is nice to see. So how much would stops be right now if we continued below on the flip? 320 right now. So stops would be around about 11 pips. Let's take a look at the 30. 30 minutes still bullish, right? So it's a bit caution. But now, if we do flip and break these lows, we're going to continue down. So I'm going to have them on, but at the moment it's around about 12 pips. If we go anything more than that, then I'm going to take it off. So 308, 435. This current candle low. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to be too big, right? Yeah, it's too big. DM. The top wick's too aggressive. So what would you potentially want to do now is you'd probably want to wait for another candle close, which would be the 30 minute. The 30 minute will give you a little bit more, right? So yeah. This GJ. So we'll wait a little longer. For the 30 minute to close. Look at the 4 hour and 1 hour chart. Yep, I agree. That's why I'm waiting for the 30. But it's a play that you probably don't know about, so it's fine. But we know when it pays off. It pays off nicely from our simulations. So.
Max, I just had a look on AJ. 15 minutes.
Yeah.
There was a nice objection. You see that 15 minute, the previous 15 minute of that level. If you are in the 15 minutes.
Yeah, this
one.
one.
Yeah. See that nice objection on the previous 15 of that level to the left, and then I just went on to the 5 minute and saw nice rejections, and I went on to the flip on the 5 minutes on the high of that previous bullish one. So I'm up 12 now. So
yeah, that was nice.
Quick in and out.
Let's take a look at what that looked like on the 15. Yeah. So for me, I'd have my retest line on like there. So you would have got in like 1 pip drawdown. Wow.
Yeah, I just used that previous support just before that, just the one up. So I just took that 15 minutes rejection, but all good.
Yeah, that was nice. Mate, the fucking broth, man. Someone turned the fucking heat off. .30 minute retest. Oh my god, it was as well. It's a shame about the 30. Even though it was 30 minute retest, the 15 minute candle looked like shit. Yeah. Move north and no bottom, literally. So still waiting above 645 for me. Oh god, I can't wait until we get some nice ass charts, man. Holy shit. Bro, Raja and Daniel were going against each other on the stream. I bet they were. How do you send charts? Either in Discord or just send me the link in the chat here. But take off the HTTP. That's just what you do for like Raja or someone. Just take off that bit. So yeah. Yeah, that was kind of nice actually. It's a little the hourly as well. Yeah, that was chill. Shame I didn't see it before and we're looking at fucking GJ. This month hasn't been as clean. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, man. Especially in London. If we go through the whole of London in the month, which I will do at the end of this, yeah, you'll see that it hasn't been too nice. Really appreciate your transparency, buddy. Keep it up. Not many YouTubers are transparent. Facts. Let's take a look here. Could you analyze AJ? Yes, I already have. It's in a big fucking range on the higher time frames. Look at that daily. Oh, daily looks awful. But that little move there was tasty, right? But you can clearly see, you know, buys above 91, 170 is going to be much easier, which is miles away, right? So it's best to just wait. Ah, you fucker. Looking like gold is still retracing, but why is it retracing? Well, because the daily time frame and the overall trend is bullish, right? We're starting to retrace back up, closed above, so this candle should theoretically make a lower wick, flip, and continue bullish. That's why the sells are kind of finished. That was a nice little drive for the sells, but apart from that, there's nothing else, man. Yeah, so it's just in a choppy area for AJ, but that little move there was clean, man. So well done taking that, man. It was pretty good with the retest. Pretty good with the retest. I wonder if like this JPY, this guy speaking, may move it. This move would have been waiting for. Maybe. Good morning, Maxi. Good morning. Good morning. Isn't good to use multiple window on trading view? Yeah, you can. If you want to. I always see it's a bit too small though. That's the only issue. I like seeing the bigger screens. You can see that to the left more. Yeah. Oh my god, look what GJ's doing again. Oh my god. So 6 minutes left for this candle closure. I have no idea if it's going up or down, so fuck me. It's bloody awful.
So Maxi, so around about 7:40 before the 15-minute closure. It's also before London Open. I took an AJ buy. Fuck man, I was in 8 pips throwdown.
Oh really?
And yo man, it played out nicely. Yo,
did you hold it?
Sweaty. I closed at 11, but you see the 1 to 2 that are. It was man, shit candles that were formed. But it worked out at the end though.
In the end,
yeah,
exactly.
fuck. But yeah, it's just market is really shit right now, man.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, man, here goes another L. But reversed. I actually thought it was gonna tap the daily flip on AJ, and yo, man, actually didn't. I just trusted the SL.
Yeah. What the fuck is GJ on right now? Holy fuck! About a minute ago, it was at fucking 159.330. Holy shit. It's fucking ridiculous. It's just mad. My GJ runner got slipped 5 pips. Instead of closing at break even, it closed it at minus 5 pips. Oh! This is on some fucking next level shit right now. Damn! What is it doing? Then it went flying up. Come on, gold fly. Someone's looking for gold buys. Gold buys. I am new to the channel. Hello, hello. Nice to meet you, my man. Yeah, fucking hell, man. Big ass candles again, no structure, it's just fucking launching. About 30 seconds ago it was bearish, it was basically going to be closing back below at 320. So yeah, I'm staying well out of this, man. Look at this big fucking push.
Yeah, that's a tasty range though. That you definitely close above it could be nice, eh?
Yeah, it's just the stops would be a little bit hard for me. Fuck off, Brian. 453 would be the retest. Looks great from far, but hard to be in. Yeah, I'm like on the 30, you're like, oh man, this was easy here. You're like, yeah, well, it broke the high instantly. The next candle, 50-minute close bearish, rejecting the highs. This next candle is just rinsed up. It's like, but like when you're back testing, if you just went through these, you go, oh, this was easy, yeah. 30-minute close above, just buy the high with a low wick as you stop. It's like, no, no, no. I wish it was that easy. That's what I was looking for. This break of the high, stop loss below here. But it didn't. It broke the high straight away. VDAG takes every dollar. What a perfect name for your channel. Just had his minus 1.5% trade because I didn't use a stop loss. There you go. Stop loss does pretty much matter. A really good buy if close above 645. Yeah, it does look good. It does look good, but what I'm looking at on MetaTrader right now is volatility. Holy mother of Jesus. I'm looking at my screen, it's at 610. Next time I look, it's at 5.8. It's dropped down 3 pips in fucking 15 seconds. Yeah, this is a little bit shitty. It sucks, but you can't do anything about it. You see fading with $7 on horizon. It's just mental. It's mental. Yeah, it looked like for me the only trade today was the gold trade, which was just fucking too early. Do I have to get up earlier now? It's fucking 6 a.m. Keeps on going lower and lower. I'm like, bro.
Imagine Max is gonna start turning up at 5 o'clock. Why is nobody watching?
Fuck it, why don't I just not sleep and just do the whole Asian as well? Why not?
Asian was fire, man. It was a Goldie and an AJ trade, but clean, man. The shit that we like.
Yeah, man. Oh, it's not gonna close above.
Few seconds and it closes below. And the shit portion is so bull. It's so bullish. I can fucking sell off the bull candle.
Where would the 5-minute retest be? Yeah, see, the 5-minute retest is at 450. It's the same thing with the 30-minute as well. Look, that's where I'd want the retest, but that's fucking miles away. You're still in at 159, 450. Nice. And there we go. It didn't close above. Great. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah, it's still chilling. How did that hourly close? Yeah, hourly close still bearish. Still bearish. What was your average monthly return? I'd say 16 to 20%. Yeah. More towards 20, I'd say. It just depends. It depends what section. Depends what section of the of each month, right? Depends which month I'm looking at.
Yeah, 15 is closing below and 30 is closing above.
Yeah. 30 closed above, 15 didn't close above. Oh. I mean, now the retest at 450 would be something. Stop loss would be 13 pips. But I don't know, and a 5. It's just very hard. Did you take any trade yet? Nope. Nope. Tom gonna smile here. It's still brothing. He just had to put it on simmer right now. You have to put it on simmer. Have you ever listened to Kerwin, Analysis on Gold? Yeah, I like Kerwin. He's a good lad. He's a good lad. AJ and GJ doing something a little bit different over here. 15 closed bearish and AJ breaking the lows of the previous. See here. Oof. What is your point of view on funded accounts? Great if you're very lucky, but you need a lot of luck with it, right? For example, if I was on a funded and I started this month, if I started this month, if it was 8%, I might have got it already. When I got how much is this added up to? 1 sec. What's that? So the 7th to the 15th. Okay.
I thought you were a maths major.
What? What do you mean?
Can't add that up?
I want the accurate one. So thank you very much, Scott. There we go. 10%. Yes, I would have got it already. Actually, I would have got the phase 1. But if you didn't maybe get some of these moves, you missed 1 or 2, then you'd still be here waiting. And now the issue you have is you started on the 3rd. It's now the what, 25th. You've got, you don't have that much time now. You've got like 8 days, 7 days left. You're like, oh shit. That's when the pressure starts coming up. That's when you start maybe taking trades you shouldn't, and then you lose it all. So it's dependent. Whereas like last month here, you would have got it probably there, yeah. On the 12th, so that would have been fine. It's just dependent on the setups, right? It's dependent on the way charts move and the way your strategy works. So I have a buy stop on the break of the high, a 30-minute high on GJ.
Jesus.
30-minute high here. This high. Interesting. Price is retesting that level on the 5-minute right now. Can you see? But I don't know. These candles are a little bit too shitty for me. I'm not risking it. We'll see. If people try and get in, I don't know how you'd get in though. Let's take a look. Let's do that next one. What was that next? Long hour cafe music. So retested right at 421, which is what I said. The reason why I didn't get it is because the 15 closed with a big rejection, and also the candle right here it had a top wick, so I'm just being patient and watching over here. Okay, so the 30 minutes flipping. So if you get in on the 30-minute flip here, that's a 16 pip stop, I think. 1 second. Nah, 15 pip stop. If people like 15 pips, then fair enough. But if you are in positive and not complete the challenge, you get another month to complete it. Yeah, that's true. It's true. Sashin, what do you think about that retest?
I turned GJ off.
Yeah.
I'm not looking at it. Can't be asked. Like I just don't know what I'm doing myself. We just leave it for a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. It's just it. It looks nice. Like it literally retests exactly where I wanted, especially in the 5 minutes here. But
Yeah.
I don't know. So if you got in there now, yeah, you have 10 pips. Break even. See if it can continue.
What was Sauce on the previous? 12, 12. That's not bad.
Yeah.
It's not terrible. Fuck off, Brian. Oh, shit. Knew it. I knew it.
What was the thing yesterday, Brian? Oh, next week we'll talk about our entries and stuff. He's been fucking silent both. He's talking shit. He's too scared. You need clean cannons and not a retest. Yeah. I can smell the brew from here. I can smell the brew from here. Oh yeah. Okay, so flip the 15 and the 30 to see if we can continue over here. So stop would be 16. Yeah, pull stop us to break even on the wick. Do 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 do. In a buy right now. Oh, let's see if it can work out over here. Just needs a little bit more of a push. I think if it passes above 645 again, 648, you should be good. You should be good. Goldie's flipped the hourly just then. 5 minutes coming down, pushing. Maybe back down to 1855. When you say retest, does that mean buying on the bottom wick? Yeah. Which is what we've been trying to introduce recently. There hasn't been any entries to take yet on that. That have been proper for me. But yeah, that would have been an example there. If price wasn't moving so fucking retardedly in this area, I would be okay. But in the past half an hour, I've seen GJ being up here at 650. I've been seeing it down here at 410. I'm just not chilling. But yeah, so what it would have been there? It would have been the 15-minute time frame. It actually was on the 5-minute where it retested, which was here at 422. But you would have taken a buy here on the lower wick. There, stop loss below there. So like 11 pips. But stop loss to break even on the flip there, 15 pips in profit, but don't take any off yet. Taking some off probably at 26 pips. So it would have been 26 pips for an 11 pip gain. So that's why you get the RRs nice. Nice Tommy boy. My buy stop 2 activated on GJ. Oh wow, people going on the flip to see if it works out over here. Looking like it's good. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. A nice 5-minute closure above would be good for you guys. Love the music. What's the playlist called? I have no idea. Just this. Oh wow, look at this animation. Oh, it's making me want a coffee now. Oh. I'm gonna get a coffee after this. Oh yes. A coffee after this will do me nicely. So here we go. Let's see if it breaks the high. You guys should be okay. If it breaks the high, I'll put break even if you got in on the flip, for sure. It's struggling to break it right now, but it should do. It's got a lot of time still, so you have to see. This is some classy music right here. Have you taken any profits yet, Brian, or not? The good thing is because you got in such low here, you're in profit like here, and you can just go, you know what, it's not pushing now, let's just take some off. Yeah. Take some partials. So the daily time frame is still, yeah, it's still up. It's still, it could be still making a top wick. And the thing with it also is, look at the daily time frame. Look where we're right at. So this could potentially just be the top wick for later on. Yeah. Weekly about to flip on GJs. Take a look. Yeah. That's interesting. Yeah. Let's take a look at Discord over here. Oh, I'm wanting to trade so bad, bro, but it's just not there. Let's take a look here. This is just before. So you want to buy with 159,448. Ooh, that was nice. Sells below 1859. Wow, you should have got that then. That was perfect. 641. That would have worked nicely. I think that would have worked nicely. So you hopefully should have got that one. Had it all entered in here. That's chill. Let's take a look at this chart over here. So this is gold as well. What time is this at? 7 o'clock. Possible sells below 1959. Wow, amazing. So both of you guys over here that put charts in, they would have worked out nicely. Yeah, that was chill. That was very, very nice. I would have personally got in on that retest there with the support with stop loss above. Yeah. Raining for 6 hours straight already in my area. Why are you crying, Sky? Gun FOMO? What? What are these comments? GJ is playing whoever entered. Yeah, on the flip. Well, it's because it hasn't closed above on the 15, right? So yeah. What are people gonna do then? People in the YouTube chat have got in on the flip. What are you guys doing? Actually, wait. You would have got. Oh, you're up for about 9 pips. Should have stop loss to break even there. So it would have been a break even trade. Yeah. A break even trade. There's a strong hourly support for gold at 1856. Take a look. Yeah, agreed. That's what it just tapped. That's what it tapped into on that big drive, didn't it? So hopefully, I mean, I still think overall gold is still bullish, but I think it may happen later on. But it's holding this area quite nicely. Sells below 1855 would be tasty. Yeah. Did you put break even here? Or not?
Yes, I stopped out on break even.
Yeah, good lad, yeah. You're up like 9 pips, right? So I think that was worth it. Nice to get the drive. Didn't work out, but it's been safe, been really good risk management there because the 15 didn't close above. I know the 30 did, and it's looking nice to continue, but it is a little bit risky when the 15 didn't close above. Good lad. So yeah, at 10 o'clock we're going to be going through simulation session. We're going to do gold and maybe look for some retest trades. And then yeah, we'll start NY. We'll see what we can get for NY. Hopefully something nice. Hopefully something tasty. $400 people in the chat. Amazing work, guys. I wish there was some nicer entries for us to take some beautiful trades on, but they'll come, so just chill out. Nice to have you all on though in the morning. Let's take a look at GJ now. Close bullish again. Interesting. And Melancho is an amazing time to take time off. Yeah. Is there a speech soon? Oh, there, the Euro speech. Yeah. Ooh, if it breaks this previous 15 minutes, sorry, may continue, but as I say, it should have pushed up already. It's fucking taking its time. Every time we chill out, damn, yeah, this week for sure. Yeah. Let's take a look then. So. Point 16. Yeah. God, gold after that push, but this, can you see though here, guys? After that push, that was the move done. So if you're in here, you're gonna be a little bit sweaty over here. Look at the 15-minute time frames. That's the drive. If you don't get the drive, then you know you're good. GJ, done play with me, boy. Look at the 5 minutes. Oh, that don't look too good. That doesn't look too good. GJ reversing. I could be just making the low wick to then reflip, but the 5-minute time frame here holding that level is not too good. Chill it in 4-pip drawdown. Oof. Yeah. Try and find out ways how to manage risk. Maybe look at the 5 minutes. Where would you not want it to pass? Oh, that's like 10 pips away anyway, actually. Yeah. Do 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 do. GJ in a bad mood. Thing is though, for me, like it's all good because the fact that the 8 o'clock candle, if it just made the lower wick and retested just like it did on the 30-minute here, and then flipped and broke the high, I would have got in and it would have been a beautiful trade. But it didn't do that, right? So, but I know that would have been a nice winner. So it's a win-win for me. Okay, so GJ is going to be breaking the previous 15, maybe. Look at the 5 minute. 5 minute needs to break this hard, and then you should be okay. People who are still in this trade. I think if it breaks this low now, I'll just close it. You might be alright now. Would you consider the hourly closure on GJ? Yeah, maybe if the hourly close is strong above 645. Back up to 160.047 would be chill. But the way it's moving, it doesn't give me much confidence in the buys, to be honest with you. So when you're seeing that price isn't moving as nicely as you'd think, like, it's probably too good to be true, right? Too good to be true. Come on, break up, bitch. Break up for people in this buy. Oh my god, it's struggling so bad. Just fucking break it. Break it, boy. That's 698, you should be good. Oh, it's struggling so bad. I feel sorry for people in this trade over here. It had filled the wick. Don't you think it's gonna reverse until it breaks the support? Yeah, it could reverse. I'm open for the sells as well later on. Just right now, it should break above, right? But it's not doing it as nicely as you'd expect. GJ is lagging right now. Mate, if you got some sweaty balls right now, just go take a wash. Put your stop below here. and hope. I think majority out at break even, but still let it push for anyone still in. Yeah, exactly. Hopefully, for some people. But the way it's moving now for me, I'd probably take the break even. It's just not. It's not doing it. With a 5 minute. Breaks that 5 minute low. Oof. It's like hell no. Right, I'm gonna quickly make a coffee because if these candles start closing bearish, then I may take the closure back in the zone. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient for that. Probably not gonna happen, but yeah, I'm gonna quickly go get a coffee, and I'll be back in a sec. You guys in Zoom can speak away if you fancy. Oh my god, my legs. Right, see you in a bit. Oh my god. Okay, 15 closing bearish, 30 minutes closing bearish. Oh, bearish below 437. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly's rejecting. Interesting. Interesting. Take a look. Pledge donation. So, if we get a resistance forming, which we have now, we're really respecting this area again for the 15th billionth time. We should continue down. To look at the 5 minute if it's pushed off. Yeah, this is looking interesting. The hourly closure. Do 30-minute fake out. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh my god, really? The last fucking 30 billion seconds. Come on, boy! 30-minute back in the range closure. Yep, it's nice, man. It's nice. This makes a nice top wick and then flips, then for sure I'm probably going to take this over here. 30-minute fake out on GJ Dam. Yep. So we should continue and fill the range back up. Which makes sense because that's why we've been rejecting these highs so much. So we'll see. I mean, where would we want the retest? We want to get in a little bit higher, and then we can have stop loss above here. Around about 560 would be nice. 315. Because there's here. Yeah, you could. I think for me the whole range is from 110. So yeah. So see how much this can wick up over here, and then maybe get a nice little drive down. So your level of pre-resistance where it's closing back into the zone. So the back into the zone for me is on the 30 here, 451. Yeah. So the retest at 500 kind of did that on this candle though, unfortunately. Okay, 30-minute close bearish. 15-minute is making a nice top wick over here. If I could get my stop above 660, would be fucking tasty. So if we come and retest 510, that could be pretty nice to continue. Right now the stop would be, yeah, too much, 24 pips. If we come and retest 501, 500, and I can have stop loss above, it's 640 though. Yeah, it's still kind of beefy. It's still kind of beefy. We'll see. I may have to get it up. Huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. See that?
You don't like it?
Well, money trap, it's the most recent level, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the wick has touched that level and it's closed above it. So like I'd be wary of that and that. You know what I mean? It's right at it.
I suppose there.
Yeah, so just where that wick was retraced from. But like if it works now, I don't feel bad.
Yeah. The second I was gonna put it on there, I'd stop loss there. It's still 12 pips though, actually, still pretty annoying. How much should stops be right now on the current? 15 pips. Oh my god!
30-minute does look clean.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Owly has no bottom wick, so this is gonna be nice. But for me, I'd have to get in now with a 10 pip stop on the high. Why is the stop so fucking big? Right, it's flipping now over here. Beautiful. Take a look at the 5-minute time frame. Nice, but yeah, the only caution there is on the 15, but the 30 is looking clean to continue back down. Yeah. I should continue down over here. If that stop was just a little bit nicer. 16 pips, holy fuck. It did retest that area though, 10 pips. Right, next time you fuckers tell about this 15-minute, fuck off. I would have put it on that high, you cunts.
Stop loss to break even. We're up. We got in all the way up the top.
What the fuck?
23
No,
pips right now.
no, they're just...
The fin, you fucking cunt.
Nah, we didn't. They're talking shit.
Well, suck a dick, I got in by myself, you cunts.
It's your fault for letting a bunch of dumbasses influence you.
Yeah, exactly. No, literally the second before I put it, I mean, I put it on anyway for you fuckers, but I didn't call it out for anyone else, so. I got in
Did
here
you
with stop
put it
loss
on
there.
anyway, did ya?
Yeah.
Where,
So now I'm
where'd
gonna
you
stop
get
loss to
in?
break even 550 right here.
Oh, you did get in up there.
Yes. It had no fucking.
Woo!
It had no bottom wick. 30-minute close below.
Dirty boy. Fuck, that's a big trade.
So I'm not gonna class as the win, guys, because no one else took it, and yeah, they put me off. But because the previous candle on the 30, the top wick was. Sorry, on the previous was 10 pips. The price was making a top wick. There's no bottom wick on the hourly time frame, so it was worth it with a nice 10 pip stop to continue down. When it went to this flip here, I put stop loss to break even. Okay, so right around here, which is a 14 pips, and now I'm gonna let it continue. So take a look at the hourly time frame. Hourly's breaking the previous lows and should continue down now. So the R to R on this, if I closed it right now, 10 pips, 25, so it's 1 to 2.5.
Have you taken any partials yet, or are you still
No,
full position?
Still full position, because it's breaking the hourly lows, but let's take a look on the, it's right there on the 30, so yeah, I'm going to close 80% over here. 1 second, there we go. So close 80% over here. Why did I close 80%? Well, because of the fact that the hourly and the 30-minute time frame is touching a level of resistance before, could act as support. So I just closed a 1 to 2.5. Nice. But yeah, I didn't call it out for you guys because I got put off by these fuckers. You should have talked through it while you were doing it. I was, until I got really interrupted by these fucking retards. I'm joking, by the way, lads. I'm just having you on. I took it, Max. Oh, nice. Yeah, I saw it on the 30. I was like, I'm not missing this trade. I've done it too many times. There's no lower wick on the hourly as well, so the probability we make the hourly lower wick is good, and the stops are tasty. So this is what we're looking at. Lost 18 pips on a buy, made 12 pips back with the sells. Nice. Just 18 pips to the buy. Shit. But yeah, these are the trades we're starting to look for when we get retests, because the fact that the RR is so nice, right? So if you took a look over here, as I've said, 10 pips, I close at 26, 25 here, so 1 to 2.5, 80%, and then the runner I'm going to run all the way back down to 800, so 70 pips. And because now my entry's so high up, the probability that it holds this level and does just float all the way back down to 800 is so great that it's worth it, right? Closure back in the range never fails. Literally. I'm in from the flip, stop loss to break even. Well done, Atashi. Very nice. So the flip, yeah, the flip would have, let's take a look, 14 pips for 17 pip gain, yeah. So for me, this move over here is closure back in the zone. Everyone in the chat was saying it. I was like, oh my god, they're learning. Closure back in the zone. So it was this one here. 1 second. Oh shit. 30-minute closes bearish back in the zone. Next one makes a top wick and then drives. And yeah. Don't you think it was a risky trade? Nope. Not at all. Closure back in the zone. It works pretty much every time. It's fucking tasty. If you take a look at my Instagram, you'll see it happening again and again and again and again and again and again and again. In fact, in... is it this one? 1, 2... take a look here. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6 fake out trades. So the trade that we just took, and I won 1, 2. Oh, that was a break even as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rest were break even. So I took 5 winners and 2 break evens. So they worked pretty nicely, right? And as I said, because I've gotten so high, like for example, people getting in on the flip here, you know, your stop may get hit at break even here after you've taken your 10 pips. Whereas because I'm so high up, my RR is fucking huge, and my runner potential to hold on is much greater now because it's so high up. When the others get break even here, I've still got 14 pips. So yeah. How do you know what point of the wick to buy on when it's wicking into previous areas? So take a look on the 50-minute time. Sorry, the 30-minute time frame. We wicked up to the previous resistance. See the body of the candles. It's also where the wicks are here to the left. And for me, it was worth it with a beautiful 10 pip stop on the previous. And this, I wouldn't have taken this if the hourly candle had a bottom wick already, and it didn't. It didn't have a bottom wick, so we know it's going to flip in this hourly, and we trust with the 30-minute closing bearish, it's going to respect the previous high. And there you go. I also took the flip. Nice, Manuel. Good lad. Do you think it can retest 400 next 50-minute candle and then come downwards? Nah, I think it's already retested it, man. That was the retest just then. Yeah. So yeah, let's put this on. So, beautiful. First retest trade that I've ever taken, and it worked out nicely. And god damn, it feels great, man. Holy shit, because you get your trade so high up, you're like, bro, this could, you know, the probability now that this just continues all the way down here is tasty. So my 20% runner could hit 70 pips, which is, you know, a nice little thing. So for me, let's just take a look how much I made. So I risked 1.4 here. I closed at 25, so that's 2.8, and then 3.5. So I'm already up 3.5% of this trade, and now I need the runner over here. If that comes down to 70 pips, it's gonna be nice. That'll get me another like 1.5%, which is kind of nice. Welcome to the dark side, Max. Trading the flip looks like it will survive, yeah. Exactly. So people getting on the flip, that would have worked as well. Beautifully. 22 pips. Yeah, so I closed... For people asking, I closed partials here. Right. Yeah, I closed 80%. And now I've got the rest running till 158.08. Pity you didn't call it out for anybody. Yeah, I would have if people listened to me. But to be fair though, they're just being cautious on the 15, which is true. But it's mainly because the 30 closed so strong, and the rejection before. I was happy to take it. What did you make? You are not in this trade. What? Yeah, I am in this trade. Max, I think GJ daily is going to flip potentially to fill the previous daily wick. Yeah. Well, because we said, isn't it, this top wick on the daily could be, you know, it's retesting the previous level. That could be the top wick, and now it's flipping, and then it could fill this wick over here to 158. Yeah. Paper trade? No, I took this. I took this by myself because people weren't listening. Max, you did cheating. Nah, it's also good for me to do my own trade as well for this retesting strategy, just to see how it works, and it worked out nicely. 1.4% is a very specific amount. I just keep my lot size averaging around about 1.4% of my account, but it's a fixed lot. And then I change it every month or two if it's a good month. No, it's not percentage risk. I use a 10 lot and I'm risking 1.4%, so you can work out. Why 1.4? Because when I'm managing risk, if I take like a 7 or 6 pip loss, it's around about 1.2, 1.1, and that's fine for me. It's just the perfect sweet spot that I got. Yeah, Ronnie boy, don't worry about it. It's just for me to take it right now, but it's good to get the little confidence up for these trades. Remember, I've just learnt this setup as well, so I'm not gonna give you signals straight away for this. I just tried it myself. That was my first one I ever taken, so don't worry about it. It's getting into the streams of it, into the flow of it. I thought it was a buy. Ooh, no. 30-minute close bearish below. So Ron, it's like this setup here. So you get a 30-minute closing back below. So this is zone 1, right? This is zone 1 here. Okay. Sorry, not this one. One second. This is zone 1 here. Candle closed above, then it rejected, closed back in the zone. We know when we get a closure back in the zone and make a top wick, we're going to drive and fill the zone up, right? And that's what it did. I put a sell once I saw 30-minute, but your entry was sharp. Yeah, well, I had the buy limit on here. I had it right at 550, so just there. The stop loss above, so it's like 11 pip stop. Went into 1 pip drawdown. Look at that nut. Oh, runners, because I got in on the top wick over here, the runner over here is going to be chilling all the way back down to 800. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so, let's take a look. Why are your sell limit so high? Oh my god, this guys, this is what's happening. 1 second. Let me just turn the music off before I finish. So basically, we've been as a group, as a community, we've been going through getting in on trades that I would have got in. So for example, if this was me a month ago or 2 months ago, I would have got in on the flip here, right? But the same trade idea is based also on the top wick. If this candle had no bottom wick, the probability it's going to make a bottom wick is 85%, right? Especially on the hourly time frame. So when this candle retraces to the previous resistance, which is the body of the candle right here, and having stop loss above the previous, which is, you know, a really, really good way of holding it on the 15. It's also on the 50-minute time frame high as well. Now you've got such a nicer entry at the top with a stop loss above to then continue with a nicer RR, etc., etc. We've been working on this for the past 2-3 weeks, and now I'm putting it into fruition. So you'll see a lot more of these trades over here. If you take a look at every single one of my trades on Instagram, you'll start getting used to it. So yeah, was your sell limit so high? It's just the new technique we're using to get in at a little bit of a higher price. But if you take a look at 1 second, if you take a look at all of my past trades, so here, let's take a look at this one. Right, let's just focus on it. So can you see here right now? I'm just going to go through this one example, right? Can you see here right now that this candle is making the lower wick? Where did it retest in? Can you see? You might not be able to see the wick on stream, but it's here, right? Look where it retested. It retested on the 30-minute resistance, which is acting as support now. So now, instead of getting in on the flip here, you can get in with a buy here, with stop loss below the previous here, and now this is all your gain. Instead of getting in on the top wick here, sorry, on the flip of the candle here, with stop loss there. So now you've got such a nicer entry because you're so far down. Take a look at all of these setups over here. Every single one. This one here, you might have to look on the 5-minute. But the same thing, can you see here again? There was no bottom wick. It made a top wick. You can see there's wicks to the left, so there would be some traffic there on the 5-minute. Would have worked nicely there. Every single one of these moves. Can you see here? Yeah, 50-minute came up. You would just take a look on the 5-minute if there's any resistance forming there. You would have got into a sell there with stop loss above. There's so many examples where I could have got in at such nicer entries, and that's what we've been working on in the group. So when I say we're working as a group in a society, this is what we're doing, man. We're always looking at ways to improve, and for me, this is the next little step in my journey. Okay. And that's why I told people last week to get onto the mentorship, to look to learn this stuff. The last webinar was going through all this, yeah, why no signal? I'll go for it in a sec. But yeah, we put on the webinar over here with Sashin, who's been doing this for a very, very long time, and we're going through this as a whole. And yeah, it was tasty. So yeah, if you guys want to learn more about that, in 40 minutes we're going on to a simulation session, and we're going to be going through these entries on gold, okay? Because they happen on gold, very, very nice, okay? So yeah, this is why today, Max is giving away the secret sauce. Nah, not in detail though. That's why today I said I would have liked gold, because this candle over here, this 50-minute candle closed bearish below. Now where, if you wanted to take the retest, would you go? Well, it's going to retest back at this level, right, isn't it? So taking a sell when this candle came up, 1 second. Here, when it retests the body of the candles here, with stop loss above the previous here, you got a 12 pips, and then you got all this move, which is around about 40 pips. That's a 1 to 4. For such entries, would you manually execute or sell limit? It depends what you want. For me, I did a sell limit there, but yeah, I think manually as well would be fine. Yeah, if it's for the signals, when I start taking them trades for the signal group, it's going to be a sell limit, so you guys don't have to worry about it. Max, did you take into account the volume on the trade, or just the wick rejection of over resistance and lack of bottom wick? Also the volume as well. The volume was nice. Like, look at the candle closure. Look how strong it was. Very, very strong candle. So I was happy. Look at the 15. The 15 just engulfed everyone else. So yeah, that was another confluence to it. So yeah, you've seen us take a lot more of these trades, and this is why I've been chilling out. I've been relaxing, waiting for these setups, and I finally got my one. So over here, you know, I've made around about 3.5% right now, and that is just made up for the 2 days I've been randomly waiting for some fucking random trades, and they weren't there. So patience is key. Sit back, relax, wait until there's a proper setup, and then fucking take that bitch, and you should be good. But yeah, guys, so we'll start the simulation at 10 o'clock. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. See you later, Zoom, later on. But nice to see that move working out nicely. Sorry I couldn't take that for you guys, but it's gonna happen soon. Don't you worry about that. So yeah, guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys later, alligator. Peace out, man. See you later, Zoom, in 40 minutes. 40 minutes. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Would you have entered if they created a bit of a wick down first? No, Mark. Nope, I wouldn't have at all. That's the key. Yeah. Okay, guys. See you later, man. Peace out, YouTube. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios, amigos.